Hello and welcome. My name is Lisa, and I got a quick disclaimer and then a story to tell you. So, disclaimer. So, it is very, very uncomfortable creating YouTube videos, especially for someone who is new or someone who is not in their routine. I've been making YouTube videos for quite some time, but I continue to start, then stop, then start and stop. And every time you start, it's like you're brand new again. Um, so that's the disclaimer. It's very uncomfortable doing this. And I literally have been this entire day trying to articulate what I'm trying to say in this video, because I know what I'm trying to say is a blessing. It will be a blessing for somebody. I know that. So I literally, I couldn't get it together. So like a few minutes ago, I just started crying. I'm like, I don't know how to articulate what I'm trying to say. So I honestly started crying, and I might add it to the end of the video, kind of like a blooper. Just, I don't know. Since we're being transparent, I'll just link it probably in the video. But anyway, my message today is inspired by a video that I saw from Bishop TD Jakes. So in his video, he was talking about being a steward of a chance. So, and basically what he's saying, we may ask for certain things. We ask and we pray for certain things, but we don't get exactly what we ask for. What we get is a chance to get that, whatever it is we ask for. So, and you get a chance because you're not ready for what you asked for. So God gives you a chance instead of the thing that you requested. So that's basically what the TD Jakes video was about. And also it's about being uncomfortable. So in order to get the thing that we ask for, we have to go through a period of discomfort. And that's me making these videos. Like I've always wanted, or for the longest time I've wanted a location independent business that impacts millions. That's what I want. But in order to get what we want, we got to do what we don't want to do. And it's not that I don't want to make content on YouTube. I do. But it's uncomfortable because you're in a room by yourself talking to a camera, and you don't even know if what you're saying is going to make the impact that you want it to make. So it's faith based. So you don't know if you're wasting your time. You don't know if you actually get to make the impact that you want to make, but you just gotta go and do the thing that makes you uncomfortable so that you can get what you want. So, and I guess what I'm trying to say, the message I'm trying to deliver is, if you are in a place of discomfort, just know that it is where you need to be to get to whatever it is that you are asking for. We got to go through what we don't want to happen. And sometimes that could be a divorce, separation, or a breakup. Because we were comfortable, if we were comfortable in a relationship that wasn't serving to us, it's probably because we were just used to being in that relationship. It's not that it's what we wanted or what we was happy with, but we were comfortable with it. And being comfortable is not a place of growth. We all want to be comfortable, but when you're not, that is when you're growing. So if you are going through a period in your life where you're uncomfortable, you don't know how to get to the place of comfort that you once felt, just know that it is necessary. It is necessary for us to go through the difficult times so that we can become the greater self that we've always been wishing for or hoping for and dreaming about. So it is beneficial for us to get comfortable being uncomfortable in order to grow and in order to get the things that we pray for, things that we dream of. Sometimes we don't get it directly. We get other things that gives us the chance to get to the goals that we're trying to reach. So I hope that makes sense. But I will link TD Jakes' video in the description because he does such a good job at explaining to us about how to be a steward of the chance that's given to us whenever we are hoping, wishing, and praying to reach heights in life um that we gotta grow to get to. You might want a certain thing, but if you're not ready for it and if you're not ready to do the things that are uncomfortable, then you can't get to your goals. So that's my video for today. If you like my content, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell icon. And I will be posting another video on next week on Tuesday. So bye bye for now. Thank you. Hello and welcome. Have you ever worked so hard at something and it just don't seem to be going right? And everything in you is telling you to quit. There's some force that just